Back now to our coverage of the coronavirus outbreak as the state gets ready to reopen next week. New Haven Mayor Justin ELICKER is encouraging people to get tested for COVID-19. As Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland shows us, today, Mayor ELICKER not only talked the talk, but walked the walk.
Ready to test him?
Pulling up to the CVS Health Rapid Result drive-through testing site, New Haven Mayor Justin ELICKER wants to lead by example.
I felt like it was important for me to show people just how easy it is.
And while the mayor doesn't have any symptoms, he decided to get tested and invited the media along so Elm City residents can see the whole process.
Full rotation, holding it steady in your hand, right? Both sides.
The state and CVS opened the same-day site back in mid-April. You register online and get a time slot. And since then, they've run more than 14,000 tests here.
Didn't feel uncomfortable, it didn't hurt, and it took all of 10 minutes to go through the process.
It's one of 5 sites in New Haven currently testing for COVID-19, 3 of which are in what's described as hard-hit COVID hotspot neighborhoods. And while there's no cost, according to the mayor,
some of our other sites have been really busy and others not so much. And that's, to me, not an indication that we are getting over the virus in New Haven, but it's an indication that we need to do more work to get the word out and make sure that people know about this resource.
One site is right here on the corner of Day and Chapel in the Dwight neighborhood. You just make an appointment and you can walk right in. No car needed. And you also don't need to be showing any symptoms either.
There are a lot of people that have the virus that are asymptomatic and spread it, but they don't know that they're sick. And so it's really important that we start testing a lot of people to make sure that we get the virus under control.
To safely open back up, ELICKER says it comes down to testing and contact tracing. The state will start ramping up testing for asymptomatic people in the near future. And ELICKER adds New Haven expects to add even more testing.
I know that we're looking at putting up a couple new sites. I also know that the state of Connecticut is very actively looking at other ways to expand testing. There's some conversations with other private pharmacies. There's other conversations going on.
Back at the CVS site, after waiting in his car, the mayor gets a phone call, and a staffer then walks over with his paperwork.
Negative.
A result which brings relief, along with a message and reminder for everyone, whether it's testing, wearing a mask, or continuing to keep that social distance.
The virus doesn't care what you look like or who you are, or whether you're in a position of power or you're not. It's important that we all understand that and we all get tested and take it seriously.
With the mobile newsroom in New Haven, Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.